Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and in this video we'll see how we can create and configure NSGs and ASGs and how we can communicate with them. Last video we have seen how we can create subnet using portal using templates. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply search for my ASG. Okay, then I will create my ASG here. Okay, I can select my resource group. And here I can give a name to my ASG. Let me call it as ASG web. And I can select my region where I need this. Okay. And then next, you can simply review and create here. We don't have any, any other option in ASG. They are simply straightforward to create. Okay. So your deployment is complete. I can go to my resource. So my ASG is available here. But now what I will do, I will create my NSG and I'm going to link my NSG with one of my VNet. So the VNet that I'm going to add to my NSG is this one, core service VNet. Okay, so let's do that first. So I can search for here NSGs. Okay, and I can create. Let me select my resource group. And here I can say this as my NSG secure. And this is my reason here. Again, let me go here and review and create this. Okay, now side by side, let me tell you, till now we have created ASG first, now we have created NSG. Okay, but now let me add a VNet to my this NSG. Okay, I'm going to attach my this what we call VNet to my this NSG. So I'll go to my subnets here. I'm going to illustrate my VNets here. So here you have two options. We created these two VNets in an earlier video. So I can select on my VNet and here I can select what subnet I need. So I can go to the shared service subnet. I can click OK. And now inside this NSG, this subnet will get attached. Okay. Alright. Now my NSG have VNet and its subnet is available here. It's address range, everything. Okay, but now let me add my ASG. Okay, so I can go to my inbound security rules. Okay, and here you see by default you have all these rules like your virtual network, Azure load balancer, and deny. Okay, so these are by default rules that you have. And you should also know like how you can override all these rules. So only these will have access by default to your virtual network and load balancer. Now what I will do, I will, add my NSG here. Okay. So the first thing is that inside my source, I'm going to say that I need ASG here. Okay. Then here you can specify so here this is my exactly name of my ASG web that I created a few minutes back. Okay, then inside my source port ranges, I'm going to select everything. Destination also, anything. Service custom, and let me give port as 80443. Okay, yep. And further, let me go with this TCP protocol, and I can allow and priority, and here I can give a name. So this name will reflect here. So as I'm allowing my NSG network security group, so I can say allow ASG. Sorry, like ASG. So I will call it as allow ASG. Okay, so let me add this. And now this rule will be available here. If you see your port is this, protocol, source, from any destination you are allowing this. this particular ASG. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create an outbound security rule for which I am going to disable my internet access. Okay. So here if you see currently, so you have this priority already available. This is the highest kind of right. So what I can do, I can try to even delete it. It's not going to be deleted. Okay. Now let me add this here. So I will say from any source. Okay. And inside my destination, let me say it as service tag. And here I'm telling the destination as internet. And here, second here, destination port ranges. I'm going to select everything here. Okay, and then protocol as well as any. So I'm going to select my deny action here. So I'm denying everything. Okay, and I can specify my priority here. I will say this as 4096. Okay, then I should give a name as I'm denying my internet outbound, so I can call this as deny internet outbound. So I'm going to simply add this. Okay, now here you can see everything. Your priorities is protocol, and if you're any source and your destination of the internet, you are going to deny this. Now one thing you should see is here you can even delete this as well. Okay. So this is all about how you can create ASG, how you can create NSG, how you can create communication between them, how you can attach your VNets to your NSGs, or how you can configure the inbound and outbound rules as well. So thank you for watching this video, and our next video we will see about public and private DNS journals.